Good morning, pupils. I hope you will good. We are in English lesson. Mirëmëngjes fëmijë, shpresoj të jeni mirë në orën e anglishtes. Topic for today is workbook exercise farm animals. Tema për sot janë ushtrime me specifikim në kafshët e fermës. Vocabulary for today are farmer, fermeri, animal, kafshët, cow, lopa, goat, dhia, chicken, pula, duck, rosa, frog, pretkoca, rabbit, lepuri, pig, deri, horse, kali, sheep, delia. All these animals live on the farm, so we can see different animals that live in the farm. We can touch the animals to learn more about them. So, this is sheep, this is donkey, this is cat, this is goat, this is pig, and this is horse. Exercise 1 is to complete the words with the correct letter. So, you have to complete these words, which are farm animals, with the correct letter, with the missing letter. The second exercise is to complete the crossword. You have to put the words in the correct number. Let's read. Let's lexojmë. I am a farmer. My name is Sam. I've got a lot of animals on my farm. I've got a cow and it's big and fat. Moo, 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 it goes like that. Leta përkthej. Unë jam një fermer. Emri im është Sam. Unë kam shumë kafsh në fermën time. Kam një lopë e cila është e madhe dhe e shëndoshtë. Mu, 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 ajo bën kështu. For homework, you have to draw your favorite farm animal and to learn the poem. Për detyrë shtëpie, ju keni me pikturu një kafshë tuajën të preferuar të fermës dhe të mësoni përmendsh vjershen. Goodbye, have a nice day.